hands behind your back.
I'm not gonna run. I'm not, sir. It's not like you're gonna run.
On your stomach.
I'm not resisting. I was in my friend's yard.
What is your name?
It's
Last
false
chance or I'm going to get
imprisonment.
you another charge.
It's still false imprisonment,
What's your name?
officer.
Erica what?
Put your hands behind your back.
This is where everything changes. What starts as a routine warrant search turns into a full-on confrontation in seconds. But here's the key question. If officers believe they're dealing with someone who has an active warrant, every move that looks like an attempt to avoid contact raises the stakes dramatically. Watch closely. Every decision from this point forward has consequences.
Hands behind your back.
I'm not gonna run.
Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
not, sir. It's not like you're gonna run.
On your stomach.
I'm not resisting, sir. See my hands?
Put your hands behind your back.
I was just sitting in private property.
Put your hands behind your
It
back.
was just false imprisonment. It's false imprisonment,
Yeah.
sir. You're pushing hard on
Put your
me.
hands behind your back. Yep.
You're pushing hard on me.
Stop resisting.
You're pushing hard
Stop.
on me. Can you please listen up, please? Please, sir? Please? Please? Here a second. Thank you.
3512. Second Avenue North, I believe.
Why are you trying to hide from us?
It's my friend's house.
Oh yeah, what's your friend's name?
Dreamer.
Rima?
Yes, sir. This officer seen me talking to him outside. I was just talking to him.
What's your name?
Erica,
Erica what?
what is this for?
Erica what?
What is this for?
Erica what?
I wasn't hiding. I was on
What's
the
your name?
sidewalk. All three of y'all seen me.
What's
on
your
the
name?
sidewalk.
You have any weapons on
I
you?
was out in the open.
You were running, you were walking up and down that alley trying to hide from police.
I was talking to my
Then when the
friend.
officer goes to get
The
out with you?
officer seen me talking
Okay,
to Dreamer.
that's over with.
That
What's your
lives in
name?
his house.
What's your name?
In the backyard.
Erica what?
He just parked his
That's
car.
over with. Erica what?
Notice the clash of narratives here. She insists she was simply at a friend's property, while officers say she repeatedly tried to avoid them. In situations like this, bodycam footage becomes one of the strongest pieces of evidence because it captures what everyone said and how they acted in real time. Who do you think has the stronger case?
I wasn't hiding
What's
from
your last
anyone.
name?
What is this about?
You're going to jail. What's your name?
But this, I was in my
What
friend's yard.
is your name?
I was in my friend's yard.
What is your name?
It's
Last
false
chance or I'm going to get you
imprisonment.
another charge.
It's still false imprisonment,
What's your name?
officer.
Erica what?
I was on the sidewalk. out in
Erica
front
what?
of
I don't
all
care.
of y'all.
Erica what?
Three officers seen me.
Erica
and
what?
One seen me talking to my friend. Can you knock on his door, please?
Okay, you're going to get another charge.
Can you please knock
What's
on
your
his
last
door?
name? What's
Can you
your
please
last
knock-
name?
Can you tell me what this is about?
Yeah, you hiding from police in the alley. You did several times. Every time you saw a cruiser, you turned and walked away.
I
And you're
stood
hiding in an
right
alley
there
and you
looking
stood
at
by
y'all.
the garbage
My
can.
friend lives right here. I
Okay.
came in my friend's yard
What's your
talking to
name?
my friend.
What's your name?
Can you knock on his door for approval?
Nope. What's your name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
His back.
What is your name?
His backyard.
You're going to jail,
is in
sir.
the
What's your name?
alley. That doesn't make sense. My friend's yard is in the alley.
What's your name?
I'm not hiding in the alley. I'm in my friend's
You
yard.
need to identify yourself. You just ran from the police.
I didn't run from you. You came on private property.
You ran from the police. What's your name?
You came
All
on
right,
private
stand up.
property.
I don't care. Let's go.
I want to know what this was for. I
Are
wasn't
you going to
hiding.
jail because you were hiding from police?
I was
You
in
kept
my
walking
friend's
away. Now let's go.
yard.
Can she go in this one right here? Whoever this is.
I'm in my friend's yard. Dreamer!
Go.
Dreamer!
Yeah, please. Carmela.
Dreamer!
Enough.
Right in my ear.
He has kids
Just because I don't want
too.
her yelling. Well, then stop yelling.
Private property.
Let's not wake them up. How about that?
What's your name?
I want to know what this is about. It's false
No,
imprisonment.
it's not loitering and prowling. You in a
I'm in
place
a
time?
friend's house.
Nope, you kept trying to
In
hide
the
from police.
alley. I wasn't hiding. I'm on the sidewalk with three cops.
You
right
are
there.
under arrest and need to
Three-
identify yourself.
Three
What's your
cops are on
name?
the side. See me on the sidewalk.
What's your name?
And then I go to my friend's house and get arrested
What's your name?
for going to a friend's house.
If she won't identify,
No, she's getting obstruction.
We'll do the face.
Yeah, we'll do
It's
faces.
false imprisonment.
Here's an important legal moment. Police repeatedly ask for her identity, while she argues they have no legal reason to stop or identify her. Whether someone must identify themselves depends on the specific circumstances and local law, especially if officers are investigating a crime or executing a warrant. This disagreement is about to make the situation much worse.
Wait a minute.
No, it's not. Yeah.
You have no reason to be even IDing
Face the car.
me. You have no reason to even be IDing me.
Yeah, we do.
If we're going to a friend's house.
What's your warrant for then? Because I'm guessing that's what the problem is.
I don't have a warrant.
Well, then why won't you identify yourself?
Because there's no reason for you to stop me.
There is a reason.
We're going to my friend's house.
For walking up and down the alley, and then when we go to get out with you,
To
you
my
ran.
friend's house.
You're hiding from every time you saw a cruiser,
I
you
was
turned
talking
away.
to my friend.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi. I was talking to a friend.
Don't worry, buddy. Hold on one sec. I'm gonna help you out.
Go ahead. It's Erica Freeman.
What's your date of birth? What's your date of birth?
But what is this about?
What's your date of birth?
Because it's not.
Take the picture.
It's not running from an officer because I was at a friend's house. I was going to a friend's house, so it's not running from officers going in the alley.
You ran from me.
My friend is in the alley.
I told you to stop.
I was in my friend's yard.
Doesn't mean you can run.
What was the reason for stopping me? That's as far as my legs go. I'll fall.
Do it again. Listen. Instead of making us do all this
I was
work,
in my friend's
hey,
yard,
listen,
though.
listen.
It doesn't make
Listen.
sense.
Hey, listen. Instead of making us go through all this, just tell us your
I'm not
name.
trying to make you go through anything. I just want to know what it's about. Going to jail for what?
Right now,
At this point, both sides are talking, but neither side is really listening. The officers keep explaining that cooperating could prevent additional charges, while she keeps demanding answers first. Moments like these often snowball, and what could have been a short encounter can quickly become a much more serious criminal case.
right now, loitering and prowling, and then probably whatever either you guys
It's not loitering if it's my friend's home.
You know how to do faces?
No, it's not.
Okay, cool.
It's my friend's house.
Now you're gonna have to
Did,
upload that because you took it with that. So
Okay.
How is it loitering and prowling if it's my
your cruiser-
friend's house?
We're just gonna stick her in the back. Listen, this goes a lot easier if you just tell us your name.
I've been staying
'Cause-
out of trouble,
Okay, well.
and I haven't did
well, then
nothing
why'd you run?
wrong.
Why'd you run?
You came on private property.
You were in the
You're
alley.
breaking the law by
Hold on.
coming on private property.
You were in the alley, bouncing back and forth through the alley.
And talk to my friend who just
and
went in
every
the
time you saw a
house.
police cruiser, you bounced the other way, evading.
So
our-
you say, I'm in my friend's yard.
Okay, either way, listen. If this goes a lot easier, and you're not going to catch an additional charge, if you
I
just
shouldn't be
provide-
charged at all because I wasn't
Just
ducking and dodging no cops. That
just
doesn't
provide-
make sense.
Then why'd you run?
I was in my friend's yard.
Okay.
I just seen three of y'all on that road and did
Right.
not run.
Right. Okay.
I walked in
What's
the
your
alley.
name?
I actually
your
stopped
name?
and looked at one of you
What's your
and
name?
looked back at the other one at the end of the alley.
What's your name?
And went to my friend.
What's your name? We're gonna figure it out one way or another.
What's the reason for the
I
charge?
just told you. Right now, loitering and prowling.
On private property in a friend's
It doesn't.
yard.
Okay, if it's not your property,
Prowling, really?
yes. So
Sir?
instead of going through all this nonsense,
Erica, I'm gonna confirm your warrant.
So,
oh,
And here
So-
comes the turning point. Officers move to verify her identity another way, while she continues insisting they have the wrong justification. Once an arrest reaches this stage, reversing the situation becomes extremely difficult. The real lesson: early decisions during police encounters often determine how the entire case unfolds.
oh,
I don't have a warrant. But anyway, prowling,
just for now.
It's open.
prowling though?
Yeah.
What is that? What is prowling? It's Erica Freeman. I already told him that.
She says it's Erica Freeman.
Ma'am, can you sit up? Thank you. Listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, stand by. Want to be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Okay? That being said, do you wish to talk to me now?
No.
No? Okay. 10 on your last.
Now the mood completely shifts. Once the Miranda warning begins, the focus moves from the street to the courtroom. Everything said after this moment can potentially be used as evidence, which is why choosing to remain silent is a constitutional right. From here on, the legal battle has only just begun.